Morning students. In today's class we are going to study about hydrocarbons. Topic 13 hydrocarbons. We already know that hydrocarbons are compounds which contain carbon and hydrogen only. Hydrocarbons are again classified into two, acyclic and cyclic compounds. Acyclic meaning open chain compounds. For example, butane, pentane, hexane, ethane, etc. are open chain compounds. Then cyclic compounds are also known as closed chain compounds. For example, this compound has 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms and this compound is called cyclobutane. The carbon chain is closed. So this is an example of a closed chain compound or a cyclic compound. And in today's class we are studying about acyclic compounds or open chain compounds. Open chain compounds are classified into two, saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated and unsaturated. Then what is meant by saturated hydrocarbons? Saturated hydrocarbons are compounds which contain carbon-carbon single bonds. And unsaturated hydrocarbons are classified into two, alkanes and alkenes. Alkenes and alkynes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are classified into two, alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes are compounds containing carbon-carbon double bond and alkynes are hydrocarbons which contain carbon-carbon triple bonds. So, alkenes and alkynes are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons, while alkanes are known as saturated hydrocarbons. So, we are going to study about alkanes. We know that alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons having a general formula CnH2n plus 2. So, general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. By using the general formula, we can derive the molecular formula of all the members in the alkane family. So, by using the general formula, butane is equal to 1, we get the molecular formula of first member in the alkane series having the molecular formula CH4. So, CH4 is the first member in the alkane series, put n value 1. Then n is equal to 2, we get the formula C2H6 which is ethane. When n is equal to 3, the compound is propane, that is C3H8 and so on. So, we can use the general formula to write the molecular formula of all the members in the alkane family. And now we are going to discuss about the nomenclature of alkanes. There are two systems for nomenclature, old system and new system. Old system is known as common system or trivial system. And new system of nomenclature is known as IUPAC system. We are going to discuss about the common naming system. Common naming system or trivial system. Common naming system or trivial system. The old system of nomenclature. And in common naming system, we use the terms normal, iso and neo. And normal meaning the carbon chain, the first carbon is bonded with the three hydrogen atoms and the remaining carbon atoms has 2 hydrogen and the end carbon has 3 hydrogen. So after CH3 we can see CH2, 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 CH2 and it ends with CH3. Such compounds are called normal compounds. Here this is an example of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. So according to the common naming system, the name of the compound is N-pentane. N meaning normal, small letter n. N-pentane. So according to the common naming system, N means normal. Normal meaning the carbon chain is, the first carbon atom has 3 hydrogen atom and the remaining carbon atom has 2 hydrogen atom and the last carbon is also having 3. Such a system is called normal. And the next one is iso. The next term is iso. The word meaning of iso is the carbon chain, it should contain a branching in the second carbon. Okay. CH2, but here in the second carbon there is a branching. So the one valence is satisfied by hydrogen and the remaining one valence is satisfied by an alkyl group such as methyl group. Methyl. One of the valency of the second carbon is satisfied by methyl group, then this system is called the iso. The name of the compound, the common name of the compound is, this is iso because the second carbon has a CH3 group. So system which contain CH3, the second carbon there is a CH3 group. Second carbon is attached with the CH3 group, then this system is called iso. And the name, common name of the compound is iso. Then how many carbon atoms altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isohexane, isobutane, isopentane. So what is the meaning of iso? The second carbon contain, instead of a hydrogen atom, this carbon is attached with the CH3 group. The next naming is neo. The common name neo. So now let us write 3 carbon atoms, and the first carbon 3 valencies are satisfied by hydrogen, and the second carbon atom the remaining 2 valencies are satisfied by 2 methyl groups. 2 methyl groups, the last carbon CH3. So this system is called neo. Second carbon is attached with how many methyl groups? 2 methyl groups. Then this system is called neo. And the name of the compound is neo. Then total number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many carbon atoms in total? Neopentane, 5 carbon. So this is the structure of neopentane. And these terms are used in common naming system. And in IUPAC system we use the numbers. So what is the IUPAC name of the compound? Can you say? Number the carbon chain. So 1, 2, 3. Second carbon has 2 methyl groups. So IUPAC, according to IUPAC system, the name is 2,2-dimethyl propane. That is the IUPAC name of the compound. According to the common system, the name of the compound is neopentane. So, what is the meaning of neo? Second carbon is attached with 2 methyl groups. The system is called neo. If the second carbon is attached with one methyl group, the name is iso. And the normal meaning, first and last carbon has attached with 3 hydrogen atoms, and in between all the carbon is attached with 2 hydrogen atoms. Such a system is called normal. So normal, iso and neo, these terms are used in common naming system. And in IUPAC system we use numbers instead of such words. Next is isomerism. In alkanes, there is no functional group and there is no multiple bonds. Therefore, alkanes exhibit only chain isomerism. And chain isomerism arises due to the difference in the arrangement of carbon atoms in the carbon chain. So now let us write the isomers of pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Long chain contain 5 carbon atoms and the valencies of carbon are satisfied by sufficient number of hydrogen. This is one isomer and the molecular formula is C5H12, pentane. And by rearranging the carbon chain, there are 5 carbon atoms in the chain. So, next isomer is obtained by writing 4 carbon atoms in the chain and attach the 5th carbon atom to the second carbon and satisfy the remaining valencies of carbon by sufficient number of hydrogen. So, this compound is called isopentane or 2-methyl-butane according to IUPAC system. And here also the molecular formula is C5H12. So this is another isomer, and the third isomer is obtained by writing 3 carbon atoms in the chain and attach the remaining 2 carbon atoms to the middle carbon. Then write sufficient number of hydrogen atoms with each carbon atom. So we get the molecular formula C5H12 but different structure. So these 3 compounds are having the formula C5, molecular formula C5H12, but they differ in the arrangement of carbon chain. This is linear, this one, these 2 structures are branched. So different structures are obtained, and this type of isomerism is called chain isomerism, which arises due to the difference in the arrangement of carbon atoms in the carbon chain. So can you say why alkanes exhibit totally chain isomerism? because of the absence of multiple bonds and functional groups, alkanes exhibit only chain isomerism. The structure of alkanes. The carbon atoms in alkanes are in the sp3 hybridized state. So whenever there is a carbon-carbon single bond, the carbon atoms in those compounds are in which hybridization? sp3 hybridization. So if a carbon-carbon single bond is present in a given compound, the carbon atoms are in which hybridization? sp3. One s orbital and how many p orbitals? 3 p orbitals enter in hybridization. As a result, 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals are formed. These orbitals are sp3 hybridized orbitals. And these orbitals are oriented towards 4 corners of a tetrahedron. These orbitals are oriented towards 3 corners of a tetrahedron. And the bond angle is the carbon atom is bonded with the hydrogen atom. So how many hydrogen atoms? There are 4 hydrogen atoms in a carbon atom. CH4, structure of CH4, and HCH bond angle is found to be 109 degree 28 minutes. So in sp3 hybridization, the carbon atoms are HCH bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes or 109.5 degree. So hybridization of carbon atom in alkane is sp3 and the bond angle is 109.5 degree or 109 degree 28 minutes.